What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've been super duper busy. I do apologize. Getting ready for today. A lot of oil pans going on. Let me show you what's going on here. So you know we got the 2016 F350. We had to do the upper oil pan. There's the old. Didn't have a whole lot of sealing on it. It's getting a brand new pan, getting a brand new lower pan. You guys have seen me do oil pans so many times, and a lot of you have reached out asking how much it costs to do an oil pan. There's the gaskets for the oil pan. I'm waiting on the gaskets for the side of it. If you look over there, those gaskets right there that are on the side of the pan for the oil cooler and oil filter housing and all that good rigmarole. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna raise the truck up a little bit, take that transmission out, and what you guys have not seen me do yet is a front cover. So we're gonna take the whole front of the truck apart and we are going to do a front cover on this thing. I also have to do the fuel line right here, and there's the new pan. Obviously you saw that yesterday. We got everything all cleaned up underneath here. It's been drip drying. See up inside here, got everything all cleaned up under here where it's supposed to be. Cleaned up what silicone was inside there, and you see everything's been this thing was just leaking bad, very bad. You see right there in the corner right there. That's why I couldn't put the other pan on. Well, I can't put it on anyway because I got to do the front seal. So wanted to give you guys an update. So you guys, I will do a video doing the front cover. The whole front of the truck's got to come apart. You guys have seen me do oil pans before. I can't put the new one on until after we do the front cover. So just giving you guys an update. Make sure you stick around, like, comment, share, subscribe. And it's gonna be a couple days before I actually get the video out for the front cover, so stick around for that.